It's a wrong concept that only if you go to a gym you'll be fit. You can do a lot of exercises being at home. It can be just skipping, jumping, doing push-ups, doing so many things actually, like hanging from something in your house or doing yoga on a mat in your house. So fitness doesn't have to be only going out and to a gym and doing it, or going for a yoga class or something. You can buy a nice DVD. You can do it yourself, and you can do everything yourself. Like instead of taking the elevator, you can go up the stairs. You can do everything yourself, like bending down, getting up, or ask your maid to take off one day and do your household job, or do gardening for a day or something. That itself is enough. You don't need to really pump up iron or go to some class to become fit. Health is wealth. If you're not healthy, tomorrow you can't even go to your work. So simple things like carry one apple in your bag, carry something like tilka laddu, very nutritious, carry like maybe a milk, like a carton soya milk box or something, instead of eating at McDonald's or eating something trashy like food outside. You'd start carrying some grapes in your Ziploc bag, or apple, or some snack which is healthy. So you have to think in those terms, make few lifestyle changes, and even at the desk you keep stretching yourself, or keep like doing a lot of hand movements and all of that, to kind of keep your body active and not lethargic and sedentary. First of all, I think a lot of pollution, we breathe in pollution. The food we eat has lots of pesticides, so we are eating a lot of pesticides, and a lot of food is processed food where we are adding nitrates and a lot more other chemicals. So from the food we eat to the air we breathe, it's all polluted. And the stress levels, because of too much competition in any field you enter, whether it's students or IT company or any industry. So the lifestyle is not like how it used to be 10 years back or 20 years back. So to cope up that lifestyle, you need to make changes, and that's the reason why a lot of new diseases are sprouting up. And this is also one of the diseases which is one of the cause. I mean, this is the cause for which this happens.